So, how many of you have done this? You go out to a site and you need to unscrew a PC to get into like the motherboard, RAM, and whatnot, and you don't have a screwdriver to do it, and you have all these things to unscrew. Well, I have an IT life hack for y'all, and it rather surprised me as well, and I thought I would share it. So, I went looking through drawers looking for a screwdriver, particularly this one right here, because I needed one for a Phillips, and I couldn't find one, but I did find this. It's a normal standard office letter opener, and I thought, why not? So I tried it. And it worked. It can also screw them back in. And with as fussy as these screws are normally, this is a surprise to me, so I thought I would share this life hack with any of you other people that use NUCs, because those screws, I'm sure you are well aware, are a pain. So yes, just a normal letter opener, little cheap thing, works perfectly. That's all. I just thought it was a cool thing that I found that I thought I'd share.